Thanks to creators like Diksha Rawat, Prableen Kaur, they're creating an acne positive community on social media, and we really need more such people like that. And like my YouTube channel, it's all about real life stories. So today's topic is my acne journey. Well, teenage time इतना difficult था. I never always had acne, but obviously hormonal changes, puberty hitting, until I think my 16s, 17s, I hit that age. उससे पहले I did not have acne, but जैसे ही I crossed, I think around 10th standard, it was, oh my god, like eruption of pimples and whiteheads, blackheads, all sorts of, मतलब जितनी भी वैरायटी आप मार्केट में देखते हो एक्ने के लिए, आई हैड इट ऑल. लाइक लिटरली आई हैड नो एम्प्टी स्पेस लेफ्ट ऑन माई स्किन. लाइक this was filled, my nose was filled, like the entire face had gone for a toss. तो मिरर में देखना तो दूर की बात थी, बिकॉज आई यूज टू जस्ट हेट लुकिंग एट माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर. सेल्फ एस्टीम की तो पूरी बैंड ही बज गई थी. आई यूज टू फील वेरी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. I used to feel shy. I used to feel conscious. I used to feel like I don't want to go anywhere because ऐसी शक्ल लेके why would I want to go anywhere. सब टाइप की होम रेमेडीज माई मदर यूज टू हेल्प मी आउट विद दैट, कहीं से तो मेरी बेटी का कुछ भला हो जाए. नेम इट ऑल, लाइक हनी, सिनेमन, टर्मरिक, बेसन, सारे दुनिया भर के जो भी किचन में इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं, आई थिंक आई हैव ट्राइड इट ऑल. I used to get so influenced that anyone used to say कि अरे I have tried this cream, you should try that. And I used to get influenced like in a second. And I used to go ahead and buy that cream. So I had like lots of creams, where I used to just go to the pharmacy and randomly pick it up without doing any kind of research, without checking with the doctor. I used to just go and experiment. And nothing used to work. मतलब like toothpaste लगा दो, सुबह का first saliva acne पे लगा दो, सब, मतलब I've tried it all the weird things related to acne, done and dusted, tried it all, nothing worked. One of my friend, she recommended that her friend has gone to this particular doctor, and you should definitely try it out because her skin is like squeaky clean. She's got like this natural pink cheeks, and her skin has cleared every acne possible. And again, I got influenced, and I went ahead and I told my parents that, listen, I cried in front of them. I told them that I don't like looking at myself in the mirror, and I really want to go to this doctor. So very sweetly, very patiently, they listened to my ranting and they took me to this doctor. They started with like lot of oral medications. Chemical peeling was also like a part of the procedure. Chemical peeling करने के बाद the next day there were certain medications that I had to take. I had to avoid sun, all that jazz. I had like a tub filled with medications and creams. Like the amount of oral medications I was consuming, it was not funny. And I just did it blindly. I knew that if I just keep doing this, it's going to help me. And it did. It cleared my skin completely. Like I had a new skin. I could see this glow on my skin. Whatever the doctor was recommending, it clearly worked for me. It was the peak 18, 19 wala phase, and I was told by one of my friend that you're gonna step out of the house with that face. Seriously, I'm not taking you out like this. It's gonna be an embarrassing situation for me to take you out like this, so it's better that you stay at home or you just don't come. So acne for me is like my trigger point. Like that is my childhood trauma. Like why do I remember it so fresh? Because it made me feel so horrible about myself. It made me feel like I'm just worthless, because agar if I don't have a clear skin, I am nothing, I'm nobody, and this is my identity. And because when I had such people around me who used to talk to me like this, I felt like either this or nothing. Like if I have a clear skin, only then I can succeed in life, and I can make a presence out in public. Otherwise it's worthless. Another story, this was very recent when I shifted to Pune from Goa. And I was in MG Road camp, and I had gone shopping to one of those small stores to buy a shoe. There was like a sort of a middle-aged man who was attending us. He was showing us shoes. While showing us all of that, he started commenting on my acne out of the blue. I did not even ask anything. He came and he started this topic that, you know what, why don't you try this ghar ke nuske, that will probably help you with your acne. I'm like, in my mind I'm like, this is so bad. I mean, unwanted opinions, unwanted suggestions. I really did not know how to react to this. But since this was like few years back, again I got influenced and I got excited first. Okay, acha, okay, maybe I should like try it out. Then he told me there is this app, you get nani ke nuske and all of that. But when I reflected on the whole situation, I was like, why was that needed? Like some stranger is just out of the blue coming to me, and I am buying something from a shop, and all he could think of was my acne. So it's just disturbing, because that was not the first time. And since the shoes were like, he was selling them for a really good rate, so obviously I went there next time, and I was, this time I thought ke, ab agar usne kuch bola तो मैं तो उसको सुना दूंगी. And I was like already prepared. And obviously I still had acne tabhi bhi. So I went to his shop again, and again he pointed out my acne. I was so furious, but I did not have the guts to say anything to him because he was older than me. I did not want to disrespect him. These were those two stories which I really remember so clearly. It took me a lot of time to sort of make peace with it. And today that I am, like, after so many years, I, of course, it still affects me, but I am at a much better mind space. I don't let it define me. I used to never record such videos because I used to feel like, are pimple, blackhead, scars, old scars that are going to be visible. So I would never have the confidence to come in front of the camera. Parents, Gulshan, who has been like the biggest support, always motivates me, that this is not your identity. You are much more than this. So just don't bother about it. Well, I still deal with it. I still get acne. If you can see my skin, I still have old scars. I get hormonal acne here. But that's okay. To actually be able to even show you something like this requires like years of confidence, years of self reminders, self love. All my life, I think until 30s, the minute I hit 30s, I actually got the confidence to buy a concealer or buy a foundation or actually do makeup. I used to never even think of doing any kind of makeup. Now that I have like drawers filled with so many products, I never even imagined that I could ever do that. I have obviously started following a nice skincare routine thanks to my friends who motivated me to, actually start a good skincare routine. And again, I got influenced, but this actually worked for me. So I use niacinamide 10% by Minimalist. I keep that as my consistent serum that I've been using since many, many months. And yeah, my skin has improved a lot. Sometimes I just feel like this needs a lot of patience, a lot of deeper understanding as to, first of all, why you are getting it in the first place. Of course, this is something that worked for me. Lot of things, lot of treatments that I did in the past, it all was temporary for me. At least this is because this is my journey, so this is specifically related to my skin. All the treatments that I did back then, years back, when I was like 20, I did it for a year. Of course, I experienced clear skin, but the minute I stopped the treatment, it all came back. So then I just stuck to like one face wash, and I just used that. That's it. I stopped applying any cream, any treatment. I stopped doing it all. And I think sometimes just leaving it can make a difference. But again, this is what I did. So please don't get influenced and follow whatever I just said, because every skin is different, every concern is different. So getting to the root cause is important. This journey of mine can give you some lessons, some teachings from it, what to do, what not to do. And if you want to chat with me about my journey, definitely reach out to me, and I would love to talk to you about it, because we are not alone in this community, and I'm happy that it's such a huge community out there, that people are feeling confident. They are using their problems as a way of communicating and reaching out to so many people and making a difference. And I think it's a wonderful thing. We need such people in our community who can accept us. Even if you are not doing anything about it, it's completely fine. And just being happy in your own skin, you know. Yeah, that's all for today's acne journey. And I hope that you learned something or you liked my stories. So until next time, see you.